Hey, tumbleweeds! Coming to you from Caballo Lake State Park, where I met Shelly. Shelly has the cutest little van, and I wanted to do a little tour and show you what she's done with it. It's just adorable. Say hi, Shelly.
Hi. So I have a 2019 Ford Transit Connect, and I've had it for about 2 years. It took me a couple months to build it out or have it built out. My brother helped me. So I've been traveling every couple weeks for about a year and a half, and I go out at least once a month for anywhere from a couple days to a week.
And where's your home base?
I live in Phoenix, so I could go to a lot of places in a 6-hour drive. This is 6 hours.
Yeah, Arizona's great.
Yeah.
Yep. So let's get a full view of this cute little van. I'll scoot back here. It looks very easy to drive.
It drives like a car. And I'm sure other people will tell you the same thing that have these.
And what kind of gas mileage do you get?
On the freeway, I get about 28 miles to the gallon.
Oh my gosh.
So it's really good, yeah.
Well, you need that now.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, so I'm just going to let you take it away, and you tell me what you want everybody to know about
I basically have everything I need in here, and I probably have more things than I need, but I got what I want. If I want it, I want it.
That just happens. That happens to everybody.
So my front, I keep it relatively clear. It's easy enough to clear if I have to, but my fridge is plugged into a 2,000 watt. This is a Bouge RV, plugged into a 2,000 watt Bluetti. It's dedicated to that, and I have a DC to DC charger. So when I'm driving the DC to DC charger, the charger one is such a game changer.
Yeah,
and I know people say that, but I've been driving around and I haven't had to plug in. I'm paying for electric, but I haven't even plugged this in yet because it charges it. So I keep that up here. Then on the other side here, I just have my the yellow bag is my shower stuff and bathroom and makeup and stuff like that.
Okay.
And the other container is electronics, basically.
Yeah. It looks like you have a nice little storage situation there.
So I have 2 of these, and this one has my snacky things and bread-like things. And I just hang it here so it's out of the way.
So you don't even have to pull over to get a snack.
Well, when I'm parked, I put it there. When I'm driving, I hang them in the back.
Oh, gotcha.
There's one here that has has produce.
Oh, yeah.
I usually carry citrus and like potatoes and stuff like that. Fruit. But then I just hang them up inside here so they're not sliding all over the place. So I also have here's my little footstool, because you can't stand in here, but I can kneel in here, and it's not uncomfortable.
Yeah.
So this is my...
That's nice. Where'd you find that little thing?
Aldi for like $10, but you can find them elsewhere for $20 if you want to pay the money. So I also have a 1800 watt EcoFlow, which I've been trying to make sure that I have enough power whenever I go, because everybody likes power, and I got
yes.
So I got the 1800, and I use that for various things, and especially if I'm cooking indoors. This is usually it. And behind that, there's 2 bags there, 2 Trader Joe's bags. Not plugging Trader Joe's, but I'm plugging Trader Joe's.
Are those insulated?
They're insulated, but that's my pantry. You can see it maybe on the other side.
Okay.
But anyway, this is... I have a bed. My brother built like a cabinet for me, just the cabinet over the storage containers that are underneath there.
We'll get that from the other side in a minute.
Just a bed platform, has a 4-inch memory foam with a backpacking pad underneath it, and then a yoga pad underneath all that. But it's got slats, so it's got a little air movement.
Yeah. What kind of mattress is that?
It's a 4-inch memory foam. And it's the size of a yoga mat. That bed is the size of a yoga mat. And it is as comfortable as my bed at home. It is as comfortable.
Yeah, mine's pretty comfortable, too.
So I can always get a good night's sleep here. Well, if I sleep.
And you have little grapevine decorations in
here? Just little, my little...
Do you have fairy lights, too? I see a little light bulb there.
They all have lights all the way around here.
Oh, cool.
And then I've got on the door, I've got my little eyeballs. So I've got eyeballs. I've got curtains. I just tuck this one when I'm parked. I tuck this one away. But otherwise,
privacy.
I
Yeah.
can close this off.
Mm-hmm.
And I've got a fan on each side for if it's warm on the inside, I can plug the fans in. They're USB, and the van has these little like holes on the side here. I took the insulation out, which was dumb early on, but I can store things, and I can also put a little USB up here and plug
That's
the
a
fan in.
nice little storage cubby hole there.
Yeah. So this is set up for parking right now, and usually that is out of the way because I do have a toilet, and that footstool right there is the
footstool right there. Okay.
Yeah, it's a collapsible footstool with a collapsible toilet.
Okay.
That I keep up, and it lives right here at night when I'm here. So that's where that lives.
Okay.
And this is also a collapsible table.
Oh, sweet.
That I'm not going to take it apart now, but
Yeah.
But when I'm traveling, this folds up. It hooks right on here. You see the little hooks right here?
Uh-huh.
It hooks right on
Oh,
there.
so it doesn't
So that these legs come
doesn't
up
move
and
around on you.
the legs come up and it totally folds up, and this hangs right here.
Yeah.
But I use this more than anything when I travel because
I like that little
easy.
grid system you got there
yeah,
with
that's
the
that's
hooks.
from IKEA. It's basically just hiding a hole that's there, but I have storage back there.
Mm-hmm.
It's my produce hanging there. Okay. This is my toilet paper holder.
Oh, cute.
And my little towel.
Where'd you find that? Amazon?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Here. My little towel here for
Sweet
rather than using
dreams are made of cheese. Who am I to disagree? I love that song though.
So I do have a car top carrier, and that's new. I've just only had that for about 2 months, and it changed. That's another thing that changed everything because all the stuff that's up there, I used to have in the van. So it's all
Oh,
my outdoor things for when I boondock and
Yeah.
I need a table and all that stuff. All the outdoor stuff is up there. So I've got solar panel. And,
can you reach that from?
Yeah, I can unlock it. Let's just do this. I can unlock it,
Oh, yeah. Well, you don't have to go to the trouble.
but in order to reach it,
Okay. You know, I have something.
no, in order to reach it,
I have something that might help you.
no, I have something that works. So I have this little.
Oh,
stuff
yeah, that's what I was going to say.
Yeah.
I have one of those too. I don't ever use it. I was going to
I
give it
use
to
it.
you.
Yeah, I use it because I need
Yes,
to be able to. And
yes.
it's sturdy, so you can
Oh my goodness.
step up there, and I can access everything.
I still wouldn't be able to do that.
And I've got,
I don't know. I have a thing. I have a balance problem.
so this is my garage. I've got a tarp. I've got my solar. I've got extra butane canisters and some other storage things.
That'll hold a lot of stuff. It doesn't look that
It
big,
does.
but
So all that stuff I had underneath, but what that gave me was enough room to put more junk in there.
yeah.
So I could carry, more clothes.
Yes.
I actually have a cooler here too that I carry. I'm still trying to figure that out. Whether to carry a cooler or an ice maker. So this is just the back view. There's another little Blue Eddy. This is
Oh,
new.
how cute!
I just got this. Yeah, it's 288 watt hours, and between these three, I can keep the front one charged using the DC to DC when I'm driving, and I can power all these from
that one.
and keep these charged.
Yeah.
So if I only use this and I don't use the EcoFlow, I can charge it in there, and I've got other ones around that I can just charge everything together. But the DC to DC is what enables me to keep everything charged.
Yeah. Do you sleep with your head this way or the other way?
This way. I know a lot of people do that way, but
Okay.
so I've got,
Because I was going to say, I bet you charge your cell phone on this
do.
one back here.
I do, yeah, I do. And plus also I can access my water right here. This is I don't have my cup here, but
Is that a pump?
it's a pump, and it's attached to this, and this is a 3.5 gallon water jug.
Oh,
So I can
well,
carry,
how about
I
that?
can carry 3.5 gallons. My little garbage can, which is actually a compost bin.
It's a what?
Compost bin.
Oh, okay.
So, but it makes a good, good sealed
Yeah.
garbage. And then I've also got this crate which I can carry more water in here. I just have 2 in here for a couple of days. That's more than enough water.
Yeah.
And I can carry things like,
Is that a
oh, and this is a
outlet?
Oh yeah, this is an extension.
Extension.
Because
What?
I
was trying to think.
because,
What's it called?
yeah, because one of the things that if I can't, use the butane, I have a butane stuff. If I can't put that out, then I have everything in my kitchen here. So this is my kitchen.
Okay.
It's my
Oh, how
kitchen
cute.
storage, whatever. So this is my dishes and my coffee stuff. Down
Are
here
those
is like,
drawers or
no, they open up.
doors?
And it's
Oh.
deep. It's the depth of this.
Oh, how sweet.
And these are Velcroed together and to the floor, so that's how they're held in there.
Okay.
So this is all like miscellaneous, clips and utensils, and I've got collapsible bowls and
Yeah.
foil and
Did they stay shut while you're driving?
yes, they clip.
Oh, they have latches. Nice.
So underneath here I have an induction
I see it. Yeah.
burner and my Hot Logic, of course.
Yeah.
Then up here I have like face wipes and vinegar and water and all my cleaning, toilet things. And down below I have all my pots and pans and stuff for cooking indoors or out.
Yeah.
And so I can cook indoors and out on that. I've got a hot pot. I've got a griddle, a little dash griddle. I can cook anything. For storage, I use these pillows. This is just my regular pillow.
Oh, and you got the fan that stays on when it rains.
I have a Max Air fan, but I rarely use it.
Really?
Usually I use it just as a vent. Yeah. Because I try to stay away from hot places.
Yes.
And it's not an air
That's been
conditioner,
kind of hard to do here lately.
No, I'm perfectly comfortable in here. But the pillows hold, this one here holds blankets, different blankets, and this one down here has everything for winter, all cold weather clothes. So I've got flannel shirts and flannel socks and my cuddle duds, and I've got a winter coat that rolls up by itself. I've got a vest, an insulated vest. I've got all kinds of warm things, and it's all right here.
Yeah, and you use it as a pillow as well.
I don't really use it as a pillow because it's kind of lumpy. I just bring my own pillow here. And I've got my other.
What's very cute.
Yeah.
Oh, I see your RTR tags there.
Oh, yeah. So I've got a lot of storage underneath here, too. Not being... it gives me a lot of storage. Yeah, I've just got junk in there right now.
Yeah, very cute.
Then,
And I like you have 2 doors.
yeah, and I can access everything from this side too, but I usually keep this door shut and facing the sun, so I don't have to.
Yeah.
So I can access. These are all my clothes. Things are in
And
bins.
you have a view of the lake from your spot.
I do. Here's my pantries again. I can go either way. So they're just in bins, and then I've got them in these bags. That one, anyway, this one's just, I keep squishy so I can squish it in, but that one's got like canned goods and box goods and stuff like that. And I just did this. This is my newest thing. I've got just a dowel up here that goes across that the curtains are hanging on, and I just hung this up. I've got magnets are holding it up basically, except for on the ends here, but magnets are hanging up here to give it a little more strength. But then I hung this rod on here so I can just hang different kinds of clothes here out of the way, so I don't have them all over the place. I keep my shade for the windows underneath here.
It's a place to tuck away everything.
Yeah, and my this is just my
And this is how you connect to the shore power. Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Okay. Very, very cute.
That's pretty much everything.
I'm jealous of the gas mileage.
And it's and it's very cozy, and I can it's been really windy. I've spent a lot of time in here, but that little space out there with the pink and white rug is my living room. So I just have I have a tablet and my phone, and my water is there, and if I want to have a drink or whatever, everything's right here at my my fingertips. So.
And you mentioned you were thinking about getting a Starlink Mini.
I am going to get a Starlink Mini because there's some places I won't go to because I don't want to be someplace where I don't have cell service. I don't feel comfortable. And plus, if I want to, watch something on YouTube, then I want to watch you on YouTube. Then I can't do that if I don't have cell service.
You can watch you on YouTube.
Right. So
yes,
so that's
I refuse to not have cell phone service or Starlink.
And they've got new plans. They've got a roaming plan for $50 for 100 gigs, and I checked to see. That's probably all I'll need. That's all I'm going to need. I know that's all I'm going to need.
You'll find out because you can keep an eye on it, and they will let you go over that. They'll charge you for it,
well,
but
I mean, here there's still service here.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't use it here.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it depends on what you need it for, and I only need it for my phone and my
a lot of
laptop or tablet.
A lot of the New Mexico state parks don't have any service at all. This is one of the nice ones that does. I think Elephant Butte has service too.
Yeah, I was at City of Rocks. I don't remember. I don't recall. Yeah, no, I think there was cell service there too, and probably Rockhound because it's south of Deming. I don't know though. I haven't been there yet.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
Do you harvest toast?
I haven't yet. I'm considering it.
Mm-hmm.
Depends on how much I want to travel. I mean, I have seen a couple along the way in Arizona. So
yeah. Well, I just have the basic, which is I think I paid $89 for the year.
Yeah, they have sales all the time.
Yeah, and I've used it probably about 10 times.
Okay, then you got your money's worth.
Yeah,
for sure.
but you are expected to patronize the place that you stay, and I always over patronize. It seems like.
And you might be in a parking lot. I don't know. I mean, the ones that I've seen, one of them. There's one in Deming actually. It's a winery, and
I've stayed at that Lacombs Winery.
Yes,
I've stayed there 2 or 3 times.
And you're in the parking lot.
That's a good one. Yeah. And they have a lot of people that overnight there.
Do they?
Yeah.
I just when I was there, I think I only saw 1 or 2.
Yeah. The last time I stayed
there for the wine.
I think it's the wine. The last time I stayed there were at least 5 or 6 campers there.
Well,
yeah. So it was nice. Well, thank you. Does your van have a name?
Birdie.
Birdie?
Yes.
As in...
Free as the bird.
Okay.
And I'm a birder, so...
You are?
Nerd,
so you pointed out what kind of bird was that you pointed out earlier that was landed on your...
It was a wild canary or a goldfinch.
Okay, yeah. It was really bright yellow. Yeah, I've seen some really pretty ones. I've been mostly up in northern New Mexico. When the heat wave hit, that's where I went.
Yeah, I have friends that live in Hemis Springs. So guess what?
Yeah. And they have the prettiest Rocky Mountain bluebirds, I think they're called. Yeah.
Mountain bluebirds, yeah. They're mountain bluebirds.
Rocky Mountain.
Yeah.
I think that's what it's called. I don't know. I have it somewhere. I think I might have put it in a video at some point. But, yeah, your van is just as cute as it could be.
Yeah, I like it.
Well, thank you for showing us your van.
Thank you for viewing it.
And it was very nice.
I'm always happy to show it off.
Very nice meeting you. I know. I like to show mine off too. Mine's way over there behind Shelley. Okay.
All right,
well,
thanks.
We'll see ya down the road. Bye-bye.
Like a tumbleweed, she goes where the wind